This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude GA24 is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, full wall slide. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude GA24 is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.